Now, first type was, if this is my triangle ABC, type 1 is BC is given, angle B is given, and the sum of the other two sides. So apart from BC, other two sides are AB plus AC. This is also given. This is one type of construction. So in this, what you will do is you are going to construct first BC is given to you, whatever, say the length is 5 centimeter and angle B 60 degree. So you will draw a line segment first, BC 5 centimeter. Then you will construct angle B as 60 degree. After that, AB plus AC is given to you. Let's say they are telling it is 13 centimeter. So what you will do is you will be measuring 13 centimeter on this line. That is, this angle B, this will be extended till a point D such that this BD should be 13 centimeter. Then you will join DC. After joining DC, you will construct a perpendicular bisector of DC, and that perpendicular bisector will be intersecting this side somewhere. This angle be extended, that is BD. Side BD, it will extend at a certain point. That point you will be marking as the third vertex of the triangle. You already have two vertices B and C. You only needed to find one, A. So this point will give you A, and then you will join AC. You will get the required triangle. So this will be the required triangle ABC, such that AB plus AC, this will give you 13 centimeter. Now why is this construction justified? Suppose if I mark this point as O, that is where DC and the perpendicular bisector intersects. This point is O. Now this angle is 90 degree, 90 degree each because of construction, because we have constructed it as a perpendicular bisector. So these two angles are 90, 90 each. Also DO and OC, they are also equal, again because of construction. Perpendicular bisector means it is perpendicular also and it is a bisector also. So OD and OC are equal and these two angles are 90 degree, and this is the common side AO. So I can say that these two triangles are congruent to each other, AOD and AOC. If they are congruent, it means that AD and AC are equal. AD is equal to AC by CPCT, because we have already proved these two triangles are congruent. So which means AB plus AD, this is equal to AB plus AC. Now AB plus AD, it is 13 centimeter because we have constructed it that way. We have measured BD as 13 centimeter. So that is AB plus AD, this is 13 by construction. So which means that AB plus AC also must be 13. So therefore the construction is justified. This is the explanation for the first one. Okay, next type of construction is type 2 and type 3, in which difference of the sides are given. But again, these two types are different because in one, I am going to take, now over here, BC is given. Let's say it is again 5 centimeter. Angle B is also given. Let's say that is again 60 degree. And here AC minus AB is given. Let's say it is given as 2 centimeters. In type 3, again BC is given. In all such constructions, the base will be given. Angle B, one of the base angles will be given. Let's say again it is 60 degree. Now over here, AB minus AC is given as 2 centimeter. Now what is the difference between these two? Over here, AC minus AB is given as 2 centimeter. And over here, AB minus AC is given as 2 centimeter. That is, which base angle is given to you? The side which is adjacent to that base angle, this is smaller over here, and over here this is the base angle given to you, and side that is adjacent to this base angle, that is greater. So over here these two constructions will vary. Now how they will vary? When you are constructing this, first you will construct the base BC, that is 5 centimeter. Then you will make angle B 60 degree. Now because you know here AC minus AB is given to you as 2 centimeter, which is the bigger side, from here you will come to know. Obviously bigger minus smaller is given as 2 centimeter. So AC is the bigger side, AB is the smaller side. So you will extend this behind like this, and you will be measuring 2 centimeter over here. And then you will join this with C. Let's say this point is D. You will join DC. Then you will construct a perpendicular bisector of this one. And wherever this perpendicular bisector meets this, that will be marked as A. And then you will join AC and you will get the required triangle. So you can see AB is smaller, AC is bigger in this particular triangle. In this case, again same thing, BC you will draw 5 centimeter. This is BC. You will construct angle B 60 degree. This is 60 degree. Now, which is the greater side you have to see from here? AB minus AC is given as 2 centimeter, which means AB is the greater side. Greater minus smaller is 2 centimeter. So AB is the bigger side. 2 centimeter will be taken here ahead of this. 2 centimeter you will mark here. Then you will join BC. Then you will draw perpendicular bisector of BC, and you will have to extend both of them so that they meet. Somewhere here they will meet, and then you will join. This point you will be marking as A. You will join AC, and here you can see AB is the bigger side compared to AC. So there is the difference between these two constructions. Difference of the side is given, but which side is bigger, which side is smaller, that you have to decide and do accordingly. So you have to see which base angle is given. Base is given BC. So any of the angles could have been given to you, either angle B or angle C. Then you have to decide the side that is adjacent to this base angle, whether it is bigger or smaller. If this is smaller, then you will have to extend it behind and take 2 centimeters behind, difference of the sides. And if this is greater, then you have to take it ahead. Now again, this construction is justified, you can prove by isosceles triangle property. Same justification, this is 90 degree. These two are equal by construction. This is the common side. This side, suppose if I have marked this as D. This is the point D. So DOA and AOC, these two triangles are congruent. AD and AC will be equal in this. AD and AC, AD is equal to AC. So therefore, AB minus AD is 2 centimeter. AB minus AD, this is by construction. So therefore, AB minus AC is also 2 centimeter because AD and AC are equal. So that is the justification. Same way you can justify this also by using isosceles triangle property.